How challenging is it to find an employer willing to sponsor for an E3 visa, considering competition and preference for hiring US citizens?
So E3 visas are for Australians, and uh, it's basically the Australian specialty occupation visa. Uh, in terms of how challenging is it to find an employer, I can't give you a straight answer. I'm not a recruiter and I'm not an Australian person looking for an E3 visa. In terms of how easy it is to file for an E3 visa, I could say it's about the same threshold as an H1B. Now, the difference is that, in my opinion, E3s get a little nicer adjudication than H1Bs do, because I think that the visa never hits its cap, basically, the amount that they have for it. So they're almost kind of like, well, if someone's applying for it, we should just give it to them because we need people for this visa category anyway. So yeah, I don't think that they're incredibly difficult to procure. Finding an employer to sponsor you in today's immigration climate could be a little bit more difficult. But I've heard nothing negative about the E3 visa under Trump. There's no we're going to crack down on it. There's no claims of rampant fraud or any of that stuff. So I really do think if you're able to find an employer and get an E3 sponsorship, you're going to get a pretty streamlined process to an approval.
Thank you, Justin, for taking that up. And friends, if you want to contact with Attorney Justin Rivera from Wasden Immigration Litigation, visit the link which you can see on the screen.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMI Support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, DocketWise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMI Support.